iSteady V2S Beginner Tutorial. Accessories. Battery and charging. Make sure to charge iSteady V2S before using it. Plug the provided USB-C charging cable into the charging port. The working mode indicator blinking means that it's charging. How to view the battery level. Long press the function button. After the blinking, the more lights that are showing, the better the battery state of charge is. Mounting and balancing. Before mounting the phone, attach the tripod to the bottom screw port. Tighten the tripod by turning it clockwise. Unfold the gimbal. The gimbal won't start if the arm is loose or not expanded. Expand the arm. Tighten the knob by turning it clockwise. Rotate the phone clamp to turn the Hohem logo upward. Make sure the phone camera on the left side of the clamp. Insert your mobile phone by putting it stuck in the phone clamp. Slide the phone and keep it clamped and balanced centrally before powering on. Long press M button for 3 seconds to power on. If operated incorrectly, the gimbal would vibrate or be turned off automatically. When the gimbal is powered on, press twice the M button to enter the standby mode. Press the M button once to exit standby mode. Press once the M button to switch between working modes. Button function. Function button. Press once, switch between landscape and portrait. Press twice, recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times, 180 inception mode. Long press the function button. After the indicators stop blinking, the battery level can be viewed. Shutter button. Turn on the Bluetooth of your mobile phone device. Search for and connect device perfect by the term V2S. Make sure that the Bluetooth is connected before pressing shutter button. Press once, take photo start and video. Press twice, switch between photo and video. Press 3 times, front, rear camera switch. AI visual tracking. Press the button on the top, the red light indicates it powered on. Take an OK gesture, then the green light shows AI track starting. Take a palm gesture to stop AI tracking. Please do not flex or curl your fingers while doing the gestures to ensure the AI detection. Gesture 0.5 to 1.5 meter. Tracking subject 0.5 to 3 meters. Landscape mode 2 thumbs up. Portrait mode 2 thumbs right. Besides AI tracking, the fill light on the top ensures clear filming at night. Single press the button to turn on the light and adjust the light intensity. LED turns according to low, medium, high close modes. Long press the button for 3 seconds to power off the AI sensor. The indicator light goes out. Thanks for watching.